Sequence channel. Today we are going to see real number and their decimal expansion. All rational numbers of the form p by q, the condition is q not equal to 0. On division of p by q, two main things happen. Either the remainder becomes 0 or never becomes 0 and we get a repeating string of reminders. Let us look at each case separately. Case 1. The remainder becomes 0. In this example of 7 by 8, we found that the remainder becomes 0 after some steps and the decimal expansion of 7 by 8 is 0.875. Other examples are 1 by 2 equal to 0.5, 639 divided by 250 equal to 2.556. In all these cases, the decimal expansion terminates or ends after a finite number of steps. We call the decimal expansion of such numbers terminating. Case 2. The remainder never becomes 0. In the example 1 by 3 and 1 by 7, we notice that the reminders repeat after a certain stage, forcing the decimal expansion to go forever. In other words, we have a repeating block of digits in the quotient. We call this decimal expansion as non-terminating, recurring or repeating. For example, 1 by 3 equal to 0.3333 etc. and 1 by 7 is 0.142857, 142857, 142857 etc. The usual way of showing that 3 repeats in the quotient of 1 by 3 is to write it as 0.3 bar. Similarly, since the block of digits 142857 repeats in the quotient of 1 by 7, we write it as 1 by 7 equal to 0.142857 bar, where the bar above the digits represents the digits that repeats. Also, 3.52727 etc. can be written as 3.527 bar. Only bar is for 27 since 27 is repeating block. All these examples give us non-terminating, recurring or repeating decimal expansion. The decimal expansion of a rational number is either terminating or non-terminating, recurring. Moreover, a number whose decimal expansion is terminating or non-terminating is rational. And what about the decimal expansion of irrational number? We can conclude that their decimal expansions are non-terminating, non-recurring. Hence, the property of irrational number stated as follows. The decimal expansion of an irrational number is non-terminating, non-recurring. Moreover, a number whose decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-recurring is irrational. So in this video, we have seen the real numbers and their decimal expansion. Thank you.